This is one of one, the only Madeira Red sedan built, matching number, logbook, 2-owner car. Let's dive in and have a look at this baby. Interior is all day one and just spectacular. 100% original engine, but it's got a 1980s sort of chrome rocker covers and all the gear. 10-to-1 forged pistons, scat rods, crane 288 solid cam, Yellow Terra heads and roller rockers, Edelbrock single plane intake, and a Holly 750 double pumper carby. And basically what they've done is they've modelled it off Alan Grice's Craven Mild Race A9X. Those rims are the original rims. They've obviously just been widened. What about we turn this on and let you listen to how good this sounds? You have to come and have a look at this beautiful A9X Torana. This is what we used to do in the 80s, drop tank. You got your different A9X on the back. What a beautiful car. A really, really good example of an A9X Torana. Come down and have a look at it in our Sydney showroom. We look forward to meeting you.